back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit differently. Actually tonight I'm going to be treating this Jujube wallet. Don't quote me on the type of wallet. I think it's a Be Spendy or Be Rich. I really don't know the differences between all the wallets. But a funny story with this wallet, it did a full circle. I got it on the BST, sold it, and then got it back when I bought a BFF. I'm not sure if you guys saw that video, but it's back with me, and I've held on to it for a little while now, trying to see if I'm going to keep it, if I want to restore it, what's going to happen, because it's kind of dingy. Maybe, I'm not sure if the camera can really capture how dingy it looks, but it's quite dirty. Very well loved piece, but I mean, it's still DSS, it's still gorgeous, but you can probably see like some of the dirt in there. It's just not as good as it could be, right? So I did ask on one of the Facebook groups, like, you know, how do people wash them, and a lot of people said that they've used Dawn, which I have here. A couple of people also suggested Buncha farmers, which I went out and I bought today, and it just smells like, to me, like essential oils. I'm not sure if you guys have seen this before, but this is what it looks like. It smells really nice, and I'm really curious to see how it will work out. And it was pretty inexpensive, like it was just what, $3.99. So I'm definitely curious to see if that will work out. So I'm gonna try one thing at a time. I'm not gonna go crazy on it, but the last step is gonna be, I'm gonna throw it into this laundry bag, and I'm gonna use baby detergent, soft, like gentle baby detergent. Also, something that I've used and I actually love is this Oxi Clean baby stain remover, and it's fragrance dye and chlorine free, which I like. So I've had really good results with this on a lot of baby stuff. So I have a toothbrush if I need to really go, you know, crazy on it, if I really want to get every little nook and cranny. I'm definitely going to try. And then here I just have a tub filled with water that I'm going to just be submerging it into and letting it soak with some Dawn, and then I'll take it from there. Alright guys, so here it is. This is the end result. I let it dry overnight, and for the most part, I think it looks 100 times better than it did. Obviously, it's never going to look new again. Don't mind that, that's just leather paint. But what I did is I really worked on the areas that were white because they looked really, really dingy. So I'm really happy with the outcome. I feel like I can confidently bring this out of my bag now and not be embarrassed by the appearance of it, because it was really, really dingy. It's a well-loved piece. Obviously, again, it's never going to look new, but it definitely has elevated its look from what it was initially. So I'm really happy with the results. And all I did with this, I know I said I was going to throw it in the washer. I didn't, because I noticed that it's already kind of warped there, and I didn't want to like create more damage to its structure, so I just left it. What I did was I just, sorry, I was just clipping that. What I did is I just used the Buncha Farmers bar on it, and then I really focused on the clear, like the whiter areas, so like the star, Donatella's face, and I did the same thing throughout. I focused a lot on these two guys here, and now obviously I have all my stuff in the wallet. Holds a lot of cards. I really like it. I don't have to be carrying 3, 4, be charged, whatever, which I actually lost one for a couple of days. So this is going to keep all of my stuff together, which I really do like, and it's got a lot of compartments. So I'm really happy with it, and If you're considering, you know, obviously cleaning your wallets, I would maybe do the similar step. I wouldn't throw it in the wash personally. That's just me. I just used a toothbrush and a bunch of farmers, and then I soaked it in some Dawn. Then I rinsed it, and then I just let it dry flat. So that's pretty much it, guys, and I hope you found this video useful. Let me know if you have any other tips or tricks on how to clean your Jujube. And if you did like this video and would like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.